Welcome back to Teen Cooking 101. Today we are going to be making a breakfast dish today. We're going to be making pancakes. Very simple recipe. It only has 4 ingredients. So, as usual when you are mixing things, mix your dry ingredients first. It just makes your life easier. So we have 1 cup of flour. And just a reminder with flour, don't pack it down. Flour packs very, very easily and you'll get way more than you mean to. So just get it to the top and you're fine. So we only have this dry ingredient. So we're mixed. 1 cup of milk. Once again, you can use any kind of milk that you want. Soy milk, regular milk, it doesn't matter. 2 tablespoons of oil. I use olive oil, but coconut oil, canola oil, it does what it's supposed to do. And last, 1 egg. Now, unlike cake, where you're not going to want to whisk it smooth, pancakes you're going to want to whisk smooth. So, okay, now that we've got it mixed, we're just going to add a little to the pan. Don't overfill your measuring cup. You're going to get more than you think. I have preheated my oven eye. I've got a nice sizzle there. And you're going to want to watch for bubbling on the edges. That's going to tell you when it's ready to flip. Here you see we've got lots of little bubbles showing up in there. So let's just wait till it's ready to flip. Okay, you see it's moving independently. It's not sticking to the pan. That means it's ready to go. Now with this, just get as much of it as you can on the spatula and just flip. Don't worry. Everything will taste fine. Now that the outsides are fully cooked, you just get them as brown as you like them. Just like toast and grilled cheeses, everybody has a different preference for brown. Like that's not brown enough. Also checking for soft spots, soft wet spots. They'll move, whereas firmer spots don't move. And it's cooked. It's ready to put on a plate and eat. I'll be back again with another cooking video for you guys real soon. Have a great day.